Cordial saludo, tutor y compañeros. Mi nombre es María Cristina Palacio Cañizares. Soy del curso Inglés B2 del grupo 145. El siguiente video es la Task 5 Technological Websites. Positive and negative impact of technology in everyday life. Object. Identify what impacts technology has had both positively and negatively in people's daily lives, taking communication into account. How has technology changed human life in your community? Technology in the community has changed everyday life in a positive way because in this area the area many persons were managed to connect with the rest of the population to able to sell their products more easily. So in education we have seen the evolution because for many students it is easy to share the internet. What negative aspects do you consider that community has and use technology today? I mean, community technology has positive aspects such as easy access to the web for students, smart devices in the hospital, and the grant help and farmers. In the area have hands-on so the technology. He can reach more people with the products, but his also has negative aspects such as the excessive use of mobile phones in children and adolescents, which has limited formal communication, dialogue between people, and bring wide disorders that alter the proper functioning of the brain.